Namaste bachcho and welcome back to the second class of grade 2. I hope you all have written the Hindi letters, that is Swarakshar and Vyanjanakshar in your notebook. Now you can see this is the first page from your textbook. One side you can see Swarakshar and on the other side words starting with Swarakshar. So the first one is letter A. It has a short sound and a word starting with A is anar, we say pomegranate. So you have to write all the letters and these words in your notebook. Now the second letter, that is the second Swarakshar is A. It has a longer sound. Now here there is a small correction. It's a printing mistake. You have to write a standing line here and on the top sleeping line. Now this makes the second letter, that is A, and a word starting with A is aam, that means mango. The third one E. E say imarat, means building. So you have to write all these words plus the letters in your notebook. Next one is E. It has a longer sound. Here also there is a small correction. You have to draw this symbol here just on top of E. So this is E with a longer sound. And a word with E is eat. Eat means brick. Next one, U. U say ullu. That means owl. Next Swarakshar is U. It has a longer sound. And the word is oon. Oon means wool. So you have to write all these words in your notebook. Next is Re. Re say rishi. That means sage. Next one A. A say AD. AD means heel. Then we have A. A say anak. So here also there is a small correction. You have to write this here just on top of letter A. A say anak, that means spectacles. Next one O. O say onam. Here also you have to write this symbol just on top of this standing line. Then we have Au. Au say aurat, that means woman. Same way here also you have to write this symbol just on top of the standing line. Then we have Ang. Ang say angur. Angur means grapes. So these are the Swarakshar with its words. So you have to write these in your notebook. So this was the first Swarakshar A and this has no symbol. Now here the second Swarakshar and the letter is A with a longer sound. Here the symbol for A is just a standing line and on the top short sleeping line. A standing line and on the top sleeping line. Now here you can see few words starting with letter A, that is aam means mango, aag means fire. And whenever we use this A symbol with any Vyanjan letter, that is any consonants, that letter has this A sound. For example, Vyanjanakshar Ka. So when we use this A symbol, it becomes Ka. That means it has a longer sound. Same way, if we write Vyanjanakshar Ma. So now this Ma has a short sound, but when we add this A symbol, that is a standing line, then this letter has a longer sound, that is Ma. Next one, Pa. Vyanjanakshar Pa. So when we add this A symbol, it becomes Pa. So these have the longer sound. Now you can see here few words. Akash. Akash means sky. So you can see here we are using this A symbol with Vyanjan Akshar Ka. Here also the word is Kan, that means ear. We are using this A symbol with Vyanjan Akshar Ka. So this was about the symbol for Vyanjan Akshar A. Now here there is an activity for you. You have to write the letters and its symbol in your Hindi notebook at least 5 times. After that you have to submit in Teams. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Dhanyavad.